Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So the market has opened on Monday, and right now we can see that after a gap down opening, Euro USD is going up. As expected, as I have been explaining in my earlier videos as well, that 1.1710 is an extremely crucial level for Euro USD, and right now we can see that market has just opened above the level, and right now market is going up. Anyways, let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand the whole scenario on Euro USD, and then we will be discussing about the strategy for today. So first of all, if you look at the chart here, then there is no doubt that this market is in downtrend. Okay, and as we all know, the thumb rule of the market, or the basic rule of the market, says that follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, then we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. And if we look at the chart here, then there is no doubt that overall Euro USD is in downtrend. Okay, therefore we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. And if you look at the present trend of the market here also, then again there is no doubt that this market is in downtrend. Therefore, if we follow the trend here, okay, or if you consider the trend here, then it's definitely a seller's market. But there are certain factors that we must consider. Okay. The first factor that we must consider here is that this huge sell-off on the chart of Euro USD came after the NFP report last week. As we all know, NFP report was extremely good. Dollar got very strong, and currencies like euro, pound started going down. This mainly happened. This sell-off mainly took place because of the news. Okay, so therefore we will not consider this much right now. And on the other hand, though this market is in downtrend, okay, my dear friends, try to understand my words because things may get a little bit complicated here. So though the market is in downtrend, but if we go to the weekly chart here, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, and as we all know, the higher time frames like the daily time frame, weekly time frame belong to the big boys, the institutional traders, the big players. So therefore the support and resistance level on the weekly chart are extremely important. And if we come down to the weekly chart here, and let me remove the drawings, and now we can see that market is standing at the support level. And you can see that previously also, when market faced selling pressure, this was the level that provided support to the market. So one thing is clear to us, that this level 1.1710 is a valid support for the market, and that too from the weekly chart, from the chart of the institutional traders. Therefore, this market though this market is in downtrend, the chart may seem to be in downtrend, but this is not the ideal position to short the market. Rather, I'll say that this is a position to buy, because we can see that after a gap down opening, market is trying to go up. Okay, and if we look at the chart of dollar index also, this is the chart of DXY dollar index, you can see that after this huge uptrend, dollar is also tired. Dollar seems to be not in the mood to go up right now. Okay, and dollar may go down also, because see, after a good up run like this, okay, market needs to take a rest a little. I'm not saying that the trend of the dollar will change right now, but dollar may consolidate, because see, after we run for 100 meters, 200 meters, we also need to breathe a little. We also need to take rest, and the same thing happens with the market also. After running for a while, market is also wanting some rest. So if dollar starts going down from here, euro USD will go up from here. And as we all know, if dollar goes up, euro USD will go down. So right now it seems that dollar may take rest for some time, and in that case euro USD has a good position or opportunity to go up. Clear? And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter also, okay, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you go to Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 83% retail traders have taken long position and 16% retail traders have taken short position. So 83% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, and only how much 13% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down. But just keep in mind one thing, that most of the time 90% retail traders lose money. But still, I'll be telling you to go on with their side, because see, they have already taken the long position when market was falling. Okay, when market was in downtrend, Euro USD was witnessing heavy sell off. They took the long position. They took an early position, but right now this is the right position. I think that you can also take a buy position. Okay. And recently, I have also started a membership program here, Pro Trader program. You can be a part of my analysis for only $15 per month. If you're interested, then you can click on this button here. Then you'll get the sample report, okay, sample analysis. Then you'll come to know what kind of analysis I will be sharing with you every week. Anyways, let's try to understand what should be a strategy. So looking at the present condition, setup and everything, considering all these factors, I'll say that definitely it's a good position to go for a buy here. Just keep in mind that right now market is trading at 1.175 in here. Okay, your stop loss will be below this line. Your stop loss will be below this line, and keep in mind that as the overall market is in downtrend, so your take profit target will be here, or in case there is a trend reversal before reaching this level, you can also exit from here or here. But anyways, right now looking at the present position of the market, I'll say that definitely you can go for a buy here. Just keep in mind that uh, this is my analysis. So okay, I may go wrong also, because see, because traders like you, traders like me, we do not decide the direction of the market. We can just do analysis. Therefore, follow proper risk management. Okay, my dear friends, follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because if your trade go wrong also, then you will not lose your whole capital. So it is extremely important to be on the safer side. And apart from these factors, one more factor that I would like to mention here is that you can see there is also a divergence here. Okay, there is also a divergence here. Okay, and this is a bullish divergence, and whenever we get divergence like this, there is a good possibility that market will be going up, and this will be your take profit target, because this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. This is the 4 hours time frame, and if you do not have this line on your trading platform or charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw these lines, mark these price levels, so that you can understand the market better, so that you can do proper analysis from your own side. And you can see that this trend line is a valid resistance, because whenever market was trying to go up here, it was facing resistance. Therefore, we can expect that this trend line will still be acting as a resistance for the market, and this is a support. Right now market is standing at a weekly support, and we can see that market is trying to bounce on a weekly support. Therefore, there's a good possibility that we can earn some good profit out of it. But still, be careful and follow proper risk management, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.